Set off into the Alaskan wilderness in a unique way, traveling by horse-drawn covered wagon. Listen to the clip-clop of horses' hooves as you roll along, exploring the lush forest. Sit back and let the horses do the work. As lively guides fill you in on the area's natural and cultural history, you'll wheel through the Alaskan countryside, keeping an eye out for wildlife and gazing up at the towering peaks in the distance. You'll stop off at a cabin in the woods for a filling breakfast or dinner, then hop back in the wagon and finish out this one-of-a-kind trip.